For us, key in DXC is making sure that we are working closer and closer with our clinicians, and as a result of that, impacting the solutions to our patients. To enable that, we really need to harness the value of data across the NHS. And what was really keen across the 2 days of the summit is a consistent theme of the value of data across the NHS, how we can really enhance that to help clinicians deliver better value to the patients, but equally, what are the building blocks that need to be delivered to enable that? Because as you know, there's consent issues, there's safety issues, there's interoperability issues, and just listening to a lot of our NHS colleagues over the last day and a half, it is quite refreshing that the consistent message doesn't matter from which part of the NHS is. There's a well-recognized view that number one, we need to harness the data, but number two, we need to make sure the building blocks are in place such that whenever we're using it, it is sustainable. Our colleagues in the NHS and also on the partner side recognize that there's only so far we could go with the technology. The technology is always going to be enabling, and therefore what we need to focus on is the NHS staff that are managing the data. How do we upskill them? Because these days, in the best of circumstances, it's very difficult to retain those staff.